I was just gifted this very well-reviewed upright vacuum from a brand that is completely new to me. This is the SVHT FO2 Lite upright vacuum, and they promise that this has up to 45 minutes of battery life and a very powerful 40 kPa suction. And on top of that, it has one of the laser green lights, which I love on cordless vacuums, as they really give you that immediate view of all of the dust and debris that's on your floor that you don't see otherwise. Now, obviously, I have not tested it yet, so in this video, we're gonna put it to the test. And I do have high hopes because even though it is a brand that I'm unfamiliar with, I have found that some of these vacuums that come out of nowhere are so powerful, give me exactly what I want, and come at a much better price point than the top brand vacuums. So let's put this to the test. Now, when you open it up, you'll see a quick start guide on the box. Now, first impression, as I take it out of the box, is already feeling really nice. I am loving the metal telescoping tube, and I am loving how this feels. It has some heft, but it's not as heavy as some of these pieces are. What's so cool about this vacuum is you can use it as your upright vacuum with your motorized brush, or you can use this as a handheld, and this I can actually hold for a long period of time, so that's nice. As for the motorized brush head, this is so clean. It can go very flat. It has full flexibility, and this is easy to pop out as well, which will make it very easy to clean this in my household of a lot of family members and a very long-haired cat. It is key for me to see how easy these are to take apart and clean, and that's a very straightforward one. Then you get your focused nozzle, your standard brush head that has the two options, so it has the bristles or just more of a focused head. I already showed you the telescoping arm. It does come with a little scrubber, and then it comes with an additional HEPA filter, a wall mount with hardware, and of course the power cord. Now, the power cord plugs in right here in the back, so you do not have to use the wall mount if you don't want to. I will say that I have tested some of these vacuums that you have to use the wall mount or a floor mount to charge them, and I think it is really nice when you can just plug it in whenever you want to, so that's helpful. And then it just has its standard cup. This isn't a very large container, but that is okay to me. Usually this is enough. And inside it does already have a HEPA filter that you can just pop right out. Now, this doesn't look washable, but it actually is. You can wash this out completely. You just need to make sure it fully air dries before using it again, which is why it's nice that you have two. So just keep that in mind. These are built to last, and it really does just pop right back in and pops right in here and twists in, and you're ready to go. Now for the button, it's only this one button on the back, and when you turn it on, it will start in low. Press it again, and you're in high. It's a little noisy right next to my microphone, but it sounds the same as any vacuum to me. Let's put it to the test. Now I'll start with hardwood floor here, and when I turn this on, you can see level 1, and then level 2, and that light. Let's go. It took up all of that instantly. That was really impressive. Those were hemp seeds. I expected it to make some fly around. It did not. So I'll clean the rest of that up, and then we're gonna check this out on some carpet and some other spaces. Now I want to test it on my daughter's carpet. Loose carpet likes to be pulled up into vacuums, and since this is a 40 kPa suction, I will have it run on low for this test. One thing I really love is that this does sit upright, so I can just plug it in, put it wherever I want. That's so nice. Not nearly as messy as so many of these that just fall right over. So let's clean this carpet. Let's do it. That worked so well. Now, obviously, if I get it near the edge, it pulls up the carpet. and that's even on low, but it is perfect for just a standard vacuuming. Really, really nice. And with that green light, you really can see all of that dust and debris. And you can see how quickly it takes it all right up. Really, really nice. So now I want to test it on some wall-to-wall carpet. I'm gonna go high on this. I expect great things. Let's turn this on. One pass and it took up basically everything. If I went back with one more pass, it really would. This is a really nice vacuum. Now, obviously, I can test it with all the accessories as well, and I haven't tested that battery life, but they promise 45 minutes. And if it comes even close to that, I am incredibly impressed with this vacuum cleaner. I have tried top of the line vacuums that are multiple times more expensive than this, that only last me 20 minutes and don't have this level of suction. This is really, really nice. If you're looking for a fantastic cordless stick vacuum at a really great price, I highly recommend this one.